This demonstration covers beam divergence, which in pipe cutting is the angle produced on a cut by the angle of the torch. So the torches can produce different types of plasma fields, and in this case we have one that is pretty typical. And here we can see we have a beam divergence that is 4 or 5 degrees, and in PypeServer this beam divergence would be set as a positive beam divergence. So here we can see another type of torch pattern, and in this case you have a negative beam divergence. It's important to set these first when calibrating your PypeServer system before you do curve calculations or anything. You will enter in these values so that when you cut a part straight up and down, the angle of the edge will also be straight up and down. From that point on, you can go ahead and begin the rest of your calibration of the system. So now let's take a look at setting the beam divergence in PypeServer. The place where you set it is here in Machine Settings. So what I'm going to do is set my plasma torch to a very large exaggerated beam divergence of 10 degrees. Say OK. It says I have to refresh this for it to all get into the system. Now I'll just look at my cut paths here, and when I look at this I can see that the torch is actually set this direction off angled, and that's because the angle is flaring. And I'll drag that in and show you that on screen. And now if we go back and change it the other direction, make it a negative. These can be decimals. Hit refresh. And now you can see that it's going the other way. And that's because it thinks that the beam is getting narrower as it comes out.